I'm saving a lot of time on meal prep this week by cooking once and eating 3 different meals from it. Batch cooking is really time saving, but I know we don't always want to eat the same thing over and over again. So I have 3 pounds of chicken thighs. So these 2 have my favorite taco seasoning. They're for Taco Tuesday, but I'll have the cooked protein already seasoned, just ready to heat up, cut up, and make those tacos. Then here I have buffalo seasoned chicken thighs. I used Noble Made, my favorite, organic buffalo seasoning. It's so good. These are gonna be a flavor bomb on a kind of like a dinner bowl with quinoa and some veggies and things. So can't wait to have that. And for tonight, I took some locally purchased Harissa and I've seasoned up these chicken thighs to go with some vegetables and sides for tonight. All of it cooks in a 425-degree oven. It couldn't be easier.